Hi colleagues, I wanted to share with you how to add a research guide or another library webpage to a Canvas course that you're working with this semester. So I am logged in as an instructor or as a guest instructor in Canvas, and I'm going to navigate to a course that I'm working with. So this instructor has requested that I add the college writing research guide to her course. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate to settings, which is on the left side of the page. And then from here, I will navigate to apps and search for the app that I'm looking for. It's taking a minute to come up. Okay, so I'm looking for the redirect tool, and this allows external web resources to appear as a navigation item in the course navigation. So I'm just going to rename it and then add the link. I don't want it to open in a new tab. I want it to open directly in Canvas, so I will deselect this first option. But I do want to show in a course navigation, so I will click that option and then add the app. The app was added successfully, and so when I click on the home link, you'll see that it appears down here as a research guide. So when students click that link, it will open directly in Canvas. But I do want to show you what it looks like in Student View. So I will go over here to Student View, and you'll see that it is now appearing on the left side of the page for students as well. They will click on it and will open the same way, and they can navigate the guide as they would if they were accessing it from the library's homepage. So you can add research guides that you are working with, the college writing guide, of course, and then you can even add the library's homepage or different pages from the library that you feel like your students would benefit from. So that's all I have. Please let me know if you have further questions about using the redirect tool and adding library pages to Canvas resources.